Hello everyone. Today I have some really shocking content for you. We love to eat crabs, especially the fall delicacy, and we're going to learn about the dangers hidden behind their rich and sweet flavor. In particular, I'll introduce you in detail to 10 foods that should never be eaten with crabs. This information is very important and directly related to your health, so please watch until the end. 1. Persimmons. The first food I'm going to introduce is persimmons. Persimmons, the representative fruit of fall, are sweet and delicious, right? However, you should never eat them with crabs. Crabs are a high-protein food and are rich in protein. On the other hand, persimmons contain a lot of tannin. When these two ingredients meet, a special chemical reaction occurs in the stomach. As a result, serious digestive problems can occur. It can start with mild abdominal pain and, in severe cases, can lead to severe diarrhea and vomiting. What's even scarier is that these symptoms are similar to food poisoning. So there is a risk of misdiagnosis. This can be especially dangerous for those with seafood allergies. The combination of crab and persimmon can cause stomach irritation. That can worsen allergic reactions. In the worst case, it can even cause a serious allergic reaction. So you really need to be careful. 2. Milk. The second food to be careful of is milk. Many people drink milk after eating crab, but this is a very dangerous combination. Crab contains a lot of protein and ingredients that cause a unique fishy smell. When these ingredients meet with the lactose in milk, abnormal fermentation occurs in the stomach. This can result in severe abdominal pain and diarrhea. What's even scarier is that when this reaction occurs, the absorption rate of the milk's nutrients also drops significantly. Important nutrients such as calcium and protein are not properly absorbed and are excreted from the body. In the end, the point of drinking milk is lost. 3. Alcohol. The third thing to be careful of is alcohol. Many people enjoy alcohol with crab dishes, right? But did you know how dangerous this combination is? Crab contains a lot of purine. When this purine meets alcohol in alcohol, it rapidly increases the uric acid level in our body. As a result, a serious gout attack can occur. What's even scarier is that this combination can strain the liver and rapidly reduce liver function. In severe cases, it can develop into alcoholic hepatitis or fatty liver. For your health, never eat crab and alcohol together. 4. Fruits rich in vitamin C. The fourth food to introduce is fruits rich in vitamin C. These include lemons, oranges, and kiwis. Although these fruits are good for your health, eating them with crab can actually be harmful. Crab contains a lot of heavy metals. In particular, there are many harmful heavy metals such as lead and cadmium. The problem is that vitamin C promotes the absorption of these heavy metals. As a result, more harmful heavy metals are absorbed into our bodies. If this type of eating habit continues in the long term, the risk of heavy metal poisoning increases. It can manifest as various symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, and indigestion. In severe cases, it can even develop into nervous system disorders or cancer. So you really need to be careful. 5. Cucumber. The fifth protagonist is cucumber. Cucumbers, a representative summer vegetable, are enjoyed with crab dishes because of their cool and crunchy texture. However, this combination can also be dangerous. Cucumbers contain an enzyme called ascorbinase. Problems occur when this enzyme breaks down the abundant protein in crab. Excessive gas is produced in the stomach, which can cause severe abdominal pain and nausea. In more serious cases, it can lead to bowel problems, such as diarrhea or constipation. People with irritable bowel syndrome should be especially careful. The combination of crab and cucumber can worsen intestinal function. Did you hear this far? Surprisingly, this is only the beginning. The foods that will be introduced below can be even more dangerous. Let's continue to learn. 6. Peanuts. The sixth food to watch out for is peanuts. Peanuts are delicious and savory, and you often eat them as a side dish with alcohol, right? However, you should never eat them with crab. Peanuts are rich in arachidonic acid, which causes a special reaction in the stomach when it meets the fat in crab. digestion becomes very slow, and this can cause abdominal bloating or bloating. In more serious cases, it is said that acid reflux or stomach cramps can occur. People with sensitive stomachs should be especially careful. The combination of crab and peanuts can irritate the stomach lining and worsen chronic gastritis. 7. Tomato. The seventh main character is tomato. Sweet and sour tomatoes are known to be good for your health, right? However, eating them with crab can actually be harmful. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, and when this ingredient meets crab protein, it causes a unique chemical reaction in the stomach. As a result, severe heartburn and indigestion can occur. What is even scarier is that if this combination continues for a long time, the risk of gastritis or stomach ulcers due to excessive secretion of gastric acid increases. People with weak stomachs should be especially careful. 8. Carrot. The eighth food to introduce is carrots. Carrots are known to be good for eye health because they are rich in vitamin A, but they do not go well with crab. Carrots contain a substance called beta-carotene, which promotes fat accumulation in the body when combined with the cholesterol in crab. As a result, blood cholesterol levels can rise rapidly. In more serious cases, the risk of arteriosclerosis or heart disease can increase. People with hyperlipidemia or heart disease should be especially careful. The combination of crab and carrots can worsen existing conditions. 9. Garlic. The ninth food to be careful of is garlic. Garlic is often used in crab dishes due to its strong aroma and flavor. But excessive consumption can be dangerous. Garlic is rich in a substance called allicin, and when allicin meets the protein in crab, it excessively stimulates gastric acid secretion. As a result, severe heartburn and stomach cramps can occur. In more serious cases, gastritis or gastric ulcers can worsen. People with weak stomachs should be especially careful. There are also research results showing that the combination of crab and garlic can severely irritate the stomach lining, leading to hemorrhagic gastritis. 10. Ginseng. The last and most unexpected combination to introduce is crab and ginseng. Ginseng is synonymous with health food, but if you eat it with crab, it can actually be harmful to your health. Ginseng is rich in a substance called saponin, and when this saponin meets the fat of crab, it can cause problems with blood circulation in our body. In particular, it can rapidly increase blood pressure and cause serious headaches or dizziness. What's even scarier is that if this condition continues, the risk of high blood pressure or heart disease increases. In particular, people with cardiovascular disease should never eat crab and ginseng together. Are you surprised? Isn't it shocking that such common foods can be so dangerous when combined with crab? We should definitely be careful of these dangerous food combinations that we didn't know about. But don't worry, if you just avoid these foods, crab is a really good food. It's rich in protein, so it helps with muscle development, and the taurine component is good for relieving fatigue. Also, the chitin component in crab is said to be effective in lowering cholesterol levels. However, one thing to be careful about is that eating crab in excess is not good. Crabs contain a lot of cholesterol, which can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. It is said that eating them once or twice a week is appropriate. People with high cholesterol or heart disease should be especially careful. Please remember this information for your precious health, and tell the people around you. It can save someone's life. Now, I will finish with a few more tips on eating crab. First, it is best to eat crab alone if possible. When eating it with other foods, leave at least 2 hours between meals. Second, drink plenty of warm water after eating crab. This helps digestion and helps excrete heavy metals contained in crab meat. Third, using soybean paste or ginger when cooking crab is effective in reducing the fishy smell of crab and aiding digestion. Fourth, the fresher the crab, the better. It is best to cook it right after purchasing it, and even if refrigerated, it is best to eat it within 1 to 2 days. Fifth, when eating crab, chew the white meat inside the shell. This part is rich in calcium. Now that you know this, don't crabs seem even tastier? Now, You can enjoy them wisely, because they are good for your health. And finally, there's one more thing I'd like to tell you. It's the environmental issue related to crab consumption. Recently, indiscriminate crab catching has threatened the marine ecosystem. Our health is important, but shouldn't we also think about the health of the planet? Choosing crabs caught through sustainable fishing, or sometimes choosing other seafood instead of crab can be a good idea. Our small choices can make a big difference. Well, that's all for today's video. Was this information essential for your health? If you want to receive more useful information like this, please subscribe, like, and set up notifications. Your one click means a lot to me. And if there are people around you who like crab, please share this video. It will help protect the health of your loved ones. Please look forward to the next video with some amazing health information. We wish you and the planet good health. See you next time.